What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5. And in today's video, guys, we do have a price update, price prediction on Harvest Finance, also known as Farm. So guys, it has been pumping quite a bit today, 30% up in the last 24 hours, making it $36. So where is this crypto heading to next? Is it going to keep pumping? Is it going to drop back down? Is it time to sell? Is it time to buy? Or should you wait for it to drop down in value? So on and so on. And looking at obviously its next prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2022, how far can Harvest Finance go? How high and how low can it go? And is it a good investment overall? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, following me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So as you can see, we are on the Coinbase website. In the last hour itself, we managed to gain 17% in value in a single hour, which is absolutely insane. As you can see, most of the time it was fluctuating around $30-$31, peaked all the way up to, let's have a look here, $38 about half an hour ago, up to an hour, and right now dropping back down. Over the last day is an overall 36% up, over the week 15% down, and over the month 22% down. So going into the CoinMarketCap website, we can see the trading volume has gone up by 23% in the last 24 hours, making it $23 million, which is still a huge amount of money that is currently being traded on Harvest Finance. However, I'm expecting this number and this percentage to go up in value and in percentage over the next couple of hours, only because it's only started to pump right now. So more and more people, once they get to know, they'll start trading it, either buying and selling the crypto. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide it, and I'm going to bring out the MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. And we have also got the SMA indicator, which is the purple line running across the chart, which is currently valuing Harvest Finance at $40.41. However, it is trading at a lower value at $34.87, meaning it is not performing too well and trading at a much lower value than expected. So let's me zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart. But before I do that, just a little disclaimer, guys. This is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we've got the blue line and the orange line looking bullish, going in a very steep bullish direction, which is not too realistic. Obviously, the only reason why we're seeing major increases in value or major steep lines here is because of the huge increase that's taken place over the last couple of hours. As you can see, major increases over the last half an hour to an hour. So the graph thinks, you know what, it's going to keep pumping, it's going to keep going up in value, and, you know, keep doing well. However, that is not the case. I'm expecting it to drop back down in value over the coming hours. We can see it's already started to drop down. We can see the red candlesticks here, and I'm expecting it to drop below the $30 mark over the coming hours, even though we are going to see peaks as well in between, going maybe above to $40 over the next 2-3 hours. But the overall outcome towards the end of the day today and early hours of tomorrow seems to be more on the negative side, so potentially dropping to around the $30 mark is what I'm expecting. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see? Still looking bullish, and it's still looking very, very steep. So again, it is not too realistic. So it's basically saying over the next 7-8 days, it's going to keep pumping, keep going up in value, keep going through a bull run, so on and so on. But again, guys, that is not the case. I'm expecting it to once again drop down in value. That doesn't mean we're going to be hitting red candles every single day for the next 7-8 days. Of course not. We are going to see green candles, we are going to see red candles. It's going to be a mixture of ups and downs, but the overall outcome at this point, it seems to be more on the negative side rather than the positive side. So yes, I am expecting this crypto to take a slight dip towards the end, so not end of next week but mid next week, to around the $30 mark. So more or less fluctuating around this target here. Now moving on to the daily chart, what can we see here? Zooming into this chart, we can see that the blue line is slightly looking bullish, going in a positive direction. However, the orange line is flat out going in a straight line, is not looking bullish or bearish. What does this mean? So an overall minimal increase in value is expected over the long run. So I'm talking about late July to early August. We should expect it to overall increase in value, potentially going above the $50 to $55 mark. However, Yes, we are still about 7-8 weeks ahead of that time. So what I will be doing is keep you guys updated on a regular basis on Harvest Finance. But again, it all depends on how Bitcoin performs. As you can see right now, it has dropped to $20,000, which is not looking too great. And if it does drop below $20,000 over the coming days, then we may see a major drop in the crypto market. However, if it does decide to slowly recover back up to about $25,000-$30,000, then we may see the crypto market recovering, including for Harvest Finance, which will also recover over the coming days, weeks, months, or however long it takes. But yeah, it is all linked to Bitcoin and how that performs. So speaking on Bitcoin, if you guys want daily updates, daily price predictions on the Bitcoin, looking at what to expect from the crypto market in general, and want to find out what cryptos I'm buying and selling, all you guys need to do is click on the link in the description box down below to join my Telegram group chat, which is currently on offer for $14.99 a month using discount code DEC10 for 50% off. However, this discount here is only valid for the first 100 members that join, and over half the spaces have already gone, so there is literally a limited amount of space left before it jumps back up to $29.99. So what does this subscription include? So there's going to be 2 group chats you're going to get put into. One is where I'm showing you guys what cryptos I'm buying, what cryptos I'm selling. The other one is just a general chat where you guys can ask questions, discuss cryptocurrencies, new projects. That is also where I put daily price updates and predictions on cryptos like Bitcoin, on what to expect, and also giving you guys more analysis and predictions on other cryptocurrencies that you guys request for in the group chat. But again, any questions, any queries you guys may have before you sign up, simply send me a DM on Instagram and I'll try and get back to you as soon as possible. If not, the link is again in the description box down below, ready for you guys to sign up. Anyways, back to farm finance. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring up the Fibonacci scale to do some technical analysis and see where it's heading to next. But as you can clearly see, we are not looking too great at all. We are in the red zone. Not only are we in the red zone, but we are on the lower part of the red zone, guys. So when did we drop into the red zone? And the 20th of Jan is when we initially jumped into the red zone earlier this year, and ever since then we have been dropping a little bit, tried to recover here in late March, and then yeah, it's just been going downhill, and now we are all the way at the bottom. And obviously prior to that, it was back last year around May when we were in the red zone, and then we peaked up to about $355, nearly $400 here back in August, and then right now have dropped all the way back down. So for most of this year I am expecting us to hit straight into the red zone, because if we do want to hit the green zone, we have to hit at least about $128, and we are far away from that target. We're gonna have to go about a 300-400% increase for us to even touch the green zone here, which I'm not expecting from Harvest Finance anytime soon. So more or less, guys, for the rest of the year we are going to be trading in the red zone, but as long as we start to move in a positive direction, that's all that matters. So hopefully we can do that. If you guys want regular updates on Harvest Finance, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll make sure to keep you guys updated on a regular basis on this crypto. But what I want you guys to do is comment down below how high and how low you guys predict Harvest Finance can go. Let me know in the comment section down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on Harvest Finance. But yeah, that is pretty much it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to leave it a like, and also a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been supporting the channel by subscribing, liking, commenting, and yeah, a massive shout out to all of you guys, and especially the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, because I'm trying to hit 100k subscribers as soon as possible, so it'd mean a lot if you guys can please hit that subscribe button. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here. I don't want to keep you guys here for any longer. I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.